Everyone, it's a really nice windy day out here today in Florida. I just want to show you guys this right here. So ignore the ugly thing over there. I don't even know what that is. Can't remember. So far all my succulents that are inside of the palm tree, they're doing really well no matter what. Rain, shine, hurricane, they're doing super well. I think it's because the palm tree kind of shades the plants from like mega hot sun, but also helps with the water, like when it's raining a lot. So I'm gonna show you this one. When I got her, something has beaten her up a little bit. Oh, I know what it is, and kind of frustrated because I told my husband about this. My daughters have been playing basketball near here, and I think they've been hitting it with the basketball a few times. I can see the damage right there, so I'm gonna have to move this over. But look at all the babies. I have to look this up. What's the name of her? I think she's part of the Echeverria family. I'm not sure. If someone knows the name, you can go ahead and comment on there and let me know. But look at all these babies. I don't even know how to take those babies out. Like, they're just gonna stay there because I don't even know how to pull them out and plant them somewhere else. Look over here, look at these. Wow, that one's a big one. Maybe that big one I can try, but I'm just afraid of breaking some, of the mom trying to take that out. I would have to try very gently how to figure that out. So anyways, she's doing really well. And then I have this other plant. She's in the aloe family. This one's doing good too. Yeah, that's a dead one. Yeah, and this one too. This one has exploded over here. Look at this was just one little plant. Look how big it is now. She has gotten so big. She's stretched out a lot. She looks good to me. So that one looks really well. I'll show you this one over here. Look at that one. That one is lots of flowers. Got some really pretty colors here. This one I had to move because of the same situation. My daughter's bumping into it with the basketball. Can't remove that one. It just doesn't want to come off. Now her baby is probably easier to remove. Yeah, because it's right there. So yeah, let me see. I wonder if she has any more underneath her. She's looking so beautiful. This aloe, it was a baby. I just left it here. There was a bigger one that I removed, and then like really big, and I left it. And then there's this one. She's looking beautiful as well. And then there's this sedum. Look at this sedum. This sedum is so happy here. It's like, yeah. So that one looks really good. This one's okay. This is doing well. This one. And then this thing has I think they're blue chalk or something like that. I can't remember. That one has grown really long. It's stretching because it's looking for sun, so I wouldn't say that's doing good. I have to see if I move these palm trees a little bit out so that they can get more sun and not be under here. This elephant plant, I think it's called, it's slowly dying. I should cut it off. I should cut the good pieces off and just throw away the rest. I don't know if I can't remember what those things are got to it. The bugs that like the succulents. Can't remember at all. And here are my other ones in here. I'm not gonna look at those today. Well, I'm not gonna go through them. This one, she was struggling, but then she has recovered. But like I said, I'm getting some of those mealybugs. That's what it is, mealybugs, and they are trying to kill my plants. So I need to get some mealybug repellent or whatever it is. This one, same thing, has stretched out. This one is doing well here too. What I don't understand is, so I have these in the front, and some are really green and some are dying, and they're all in the same area. So I don't get that. So that was all the plants that are in the pots. They're in the big pots with the palm trees. These are some plants that I have here. I really love this ghost plant. Hold on. It's so windy, this chime doesn't stop. I really love this ghost plant. And look at all the colors. I don't know if it's getting the colors because it's been cold here, but it's so beautiful. Anyways, so I finally cleaned this up. I did trim a lot of these up. I even removed some of them. Also, these, I don't protect them from anything, sun or water. The palm tree does help a lot, so they've been doing very well there. Whether if it's raining a lot or not, they do well there, so they're doing fine. This one's the one that's struggling. It's got a lot of that black stuff. I don't know what that is. I think it's a type of mold. So I don't know what that is. It's like everywhere. So I don't know. I might just cut those parts off and just toss it. I'm not sure. Anyways, the one that I'm really surprised, it's just like I can't remember her name. She's pretty popular on YouTube with her succulents. She says a hit or miss sometimes, the locations, right? So remember guys, if you've seen my videos before, all these had succulents in it. And I ended up removing a lot of them because either they were getting too much sun or too much water. But over here, because there's this big palm tree up there, she gets like the perfect amount of sun and water because these guys are so happy here. I do have some weeds in here, but I'm having a hard time pulling them because they're so tiny, and I'm trying not to hurt the plant. But even this one in the past was dying somewhere else, and I shoved it in here and she spread out like crazy. And here's another one. They look similar, but they're different because this one's a little fuzzy and that one isn't. But look at how beautiful this ghost plant is here. It's like so beautiful. So I really am happy with this box, except for the weeds, but whatever, as long as I got the pretty succulents. So I'm thinking of possibly maybe getting more of these and like leaving that for maybe more high tolerant sun plants and water, whatever, and maybe just getting random ones and then putting them there because there is some palm trees, and so just to try it out and see what happens. I just like looking at them. So yeah, I just like looking at the succulents. I really enjoy them. I really wish I could have them inside my house, but I do not have enough sun coming inside my house for them not to stretch. They do stretch, so yeah. I even thought about getting a light, but still, it's just, I don't know where I would put the light or where I would put the plant. I'm just rambling, guys. I just wanted to say hi and just show you guys some updates. So I know I don't talk about orchids. I really don't know much, but I do know my neighbor, she likes orchids a lot, and she puts her orchids on her trees. So I have put mine here, and look, it attaches itself to the trees, the roots, and it's about to flower. So that one's doing well, and so is this one over here. She's about to flower too. So she's doing really well too. I didn't want to make a long video, but I guess I can show you guys here. Oh, I should show you my, let me see if you guys can see it through the window, which I don't know if I might move it because the sun is beaming right out the window. Look at Maxie sunbathing. You enjoying it, huh? You enjoying the sun, huh? So, spider web. Anyways, so my husband got me this cute planner. I think it says home and something. I'll show you guys on the other side. For our anniversary, that's what I wanted. I just said, oh, can you just buy me a succulent arrangement? So we went to Home Depot and we looked and they had that. I'll show you guys. see if you guys can see. It's kind of, oh, there it is. Look at how pretty. It says natural home and garden. So that's it, guys. Look at how pretty that is right there. I'll show you guys the front too. The front porch, pantry. This is what I got going on the front porch. Not much. But, I did rearrange some of my plants again just to, because they just became all dull looking in the arrangement, and some plants died and some plants didn't. So I rearranged this one. This one looks really nice. A little dirt on his nose. I really like the way that one turned out. And I just got this one too when I went and got the other arrangement. So I have that. This is the ones that I had in the backyard, but you know, I think that these can do really well here, so I moved them up here. And these are just looking like that. And these are there. Right there. So guys, my brother found out, and I am going to, so underneath this plastic, this is actually a bottle, believe it or not. It's actually a glass bottle, some type of liquor, I don't know what. But anyways, I'm going to open this up right here and fill it up with some succulents and see how it goes. Show you this big monster. Look at this monster. It's so big. It's huge. Like, here's my hand and there's the monster. It's so pretty. I forgot to show you guys these. As you can tell, this was like a I don't know where video I decided to make. So yeah. Okay, maybe you guys can give me some advice. So over here, we obviously in this side, we never get any sun coming in like this to beam here. No sun. We get some bright light, obviously, but there's no sun beaming in here. But some of these look happy and some of they don't. So this one recently started looking a little bit like this. I mean, that still looks pretty good. And then some of the other ones, they have like a lot of dead ones on top. I don't know why. Look at that. See, a lot of dead ones. Oh, look, that one, a lot of brown in there. So if you guys can tell me why, I mean, some new ones are coming up. Look, you know what I should do? I should just trim it. I think I'm going to trim all that down because a lot of new ones are coming in. So that's what I think I'm going to do and see what happens. Look at this one. The flapjack's so happy there. So happy. Look, I'm even getting a little bit of hints of red. So pretty. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Bye.